Is ticking for Mecklenburg County to pose a longer-term solution for the people of Charlotte's tent city. More than 100 folks were living in that homeless encampment just north of Uptown. On the left, you see that occupied tent city, and then on the right is what the space looks like now. Right now, 140 people from that encampment are in hotels. The county is footing the bill, but that agreement will end September 30th. It means many need permanent housing options or they will be back on the streets. Tonight, WCNC Charlotte's Hunter Signs is seeking solutions, an idea that some local leaders could support.
Homelessness is a problem communities across the country are battling. Charlotte in Mecklenburg County is no different, but a much smaller county about 500 miles north of us says they have a solution that seems to be working.
We were really facing an emergency situation.
Newcastle County, Delaware had a homeless crisis on their hands last winter, forcing leaders to seek solutions.
Looking at what we could do to serve the most vulnerable with the CARES Act money, the Coronavirus Relief Fund money.
The result, a nearly $20 million purchase of this Sheraton hotel, transforming it into the Hope Center.
It was probably one of the quickest things that we have done.
Councilman Penrose Hollins gathered support from his colleagues who approved the idea unanimously.
For us, it was pretty much a no-brainer.
The Hope Center is now home to more than 340 residents, from children to seniors and dogs too. It has a mental health and substance abuse clinic, a doctor's office, and partners who tend to residents around the clock, all inside the building.
You can put somebody in a nice hotel room, but that doesn't necessarily mean they're going to do okay.
Delaware leaders made a 3 to 5 year commitment to fund the operations. They admit it will be a challenge, but one they plan to tackle.
Our motto's been, don't let perfection be the enemy of the good.
Back in Mecklenburg County, plans are in the works for another solution come September 30th, and some commissioners are interested in a similar idea.
We do have some money left over from the federal government that we could do something.
I think Mecklenburg County is definitely big enough to where we can look into it.
Delaware officials tell me they got their idea from California. They say the Hope Center is not permanent housing. It's simply a temporary home until the residents can find a more permanent place to live. Both officials in Delaware and here in Mecklenburg County tell me the lack of permanent, affordable housing is what keeps them up at night. In Charlotte, Hunter Signs, WCNC Charlotte.